Welcome to the deck at Doing Entertainment Centre and the 2023 MRA South Toy Run. I said I was going to do it, I'm going to do it, let's do it. This sort of shit makes me anxious. Really not a fan. But here we are. Tractor parade. Yep, so what can I tell you? There's a lot of bikes. I haven't got it out of first gear. Lots of people lining the street to wave and say g'day. Everyone's behaving. Not much to report, really. Few rev bombs, not doing any harm. Hello. Second gear. Didn't need to, but I put it there anyway, just because I want to change gears. America! Fuck yeah! So the purpose of the MRA, it's actually the MRAA, so Motorcycle Riders Association Australia South. That's us. Well, us, I'm not a member, but I'm just lobbed up. So, yep, they're the ones who organise and put this thing on. Why? PR exercise, essentially, is my guess. But it's an opportunity to give to the community, and we all deserve to do that every now and then. So we give presents to the Salvation Army, who then help some of the less fortunate kids around Hobart or Tasmania in general have a bit better Christmas. So I've got on board, I've got some Lego and I've got some pyjamas. My contribution. Every kid loves Lego, right? God, I love Lego. So I like that bit. I like that bit a lot. As for the rest of this, it's just not my bag, really. I stand by what I said. I don't like large groups of bikes that I don't know the people, don't know what they're like, don't know how they can ride. Unpredictability, all of that. just give it the bird. So we had a good run this morning. We went for a ride this morning. We've been on the go since 10 o'clock. What is it now? 2:45 in the afternoon. So all in all, it's been a good day. I've enjoyed it. It's nice to see all the public lining the streets and all the kiddies out looking at the bikes. Would be a bit of a spectacle. There's always a dickhead. He's a hero because he does it every time he passes a cop. And that's it. That's a wrap. So now I guess we get to give our prezzies to the kids. Is that it, Dutchie?
What?
Is that it? How exciting!
What?
How exciting!
I thought that would excite you.
I'm so glad that I took all that time out of my life to do that.
Shut up and stop your ring.
I'm serious. It was so good.
Give me your clippers.
I'm giving back to the community because I take so much. I'm just take.
We know.
And now I'm giving back.
I know.
I can sleep tonight.
I'm so fucking happy.
Well, I guess that's a wrap. So, conclusion. Hey, no harm done to anybody. And it's for a good cause. Help the kiddies out that may be struggling, especially in these times of cost of living expenses being ridiculous. And as far as I know, no one's been hurt. We've just had a bit of fun. So we'll go and give these presents to the Red Cross. And
Now I don't believe you.
what?
I just don't believe you.
No, it's been fine, Dutchie. Nobody got hurt.
Sorry?
Nobody got hurt. A few dickheads doing rev bombs, but they were alright.
Well, they're pretty well behaved.
Yeah, pretty well behaved.
I hope you say something nice.
So you're stripping all your...
No, I'm going to leave it on now.
Oh, I was going to say, where are we going after this?
We're going down to Harbour Lights and have a coffee.
Ah, correct. All right.
Okay, or a drink.
Yep. All right, let me pack all these cameras away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and all that crap. And I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.